Welcome to work. Today, the lawn looks pretty tall. The grass looks pretty tall. It might not look that tall to you. No, it doesn't. But it needs to be mowed. Let's see. A knight is a brave man.
Huh?
Is a brave man. I mean, I'm not that good at reading. Is a brave man from where they lived in castles. I think you should go back to school. Maybe. Can I see the pictures? Yeah. Wow, the knight looks perfect. It really does. Oh, hi, Kite. You ready? Taco time! Yay, it's taco time! No, that's just a book. Okay, so everyone in this world had tacos. That's all they could eat. That's how I wouldn't want that. And all they could eat was tacos. And then they wanted variety. Hello, guys. Didn't you forget we're gonna have the lawn mowed, so you have to clear off the lawn? Oh, oops. Time to stop reading. Whoa, our book in the house. All right, let's put our book in the house there. Oh, time to stop. Kitty, go back! Everybody, who should I tell first? Oh, can you move the steamroller off the lawn, please? Can you please move the steamroller off the lawn?
Sure. I got to give you 1 second.
Oh.
Oh, you okay?
I'm fine. I got your back.
Gotta be careful. I'll move it right now.
Does this car still work? Does this car still work? Yeah, it does. But that Jeep doesn't work. The battery is completely out. So it hasn't moved in since last month. Hey, Mowing, it's trash day! We put it right here! Hopefully they come before the lawn mowing people come. Anyone in here? Oh, no one's there. I guess it's time for me to go to the bathroom. Oh. It's going well so far. Yeah. Ooh, come on. There. Oh, let me lift this porta potty up. Didn't you forget someone's in there? I don't care. Wow, what just happened? Ah! Help! I'm still in the porta potty! Ah! Hey, I'm still in the porta potty! Oh, never mind. Put it there. Let me fold up this chair. It's a fold-up chair, see? Put it in the house. Clear off the lawn. Put it in the house. In the house. Okay, dog, come on. Come on, Fido. go back in the house. The lawn is ready! And we need a trash truck.
Oops, sorry, we'll be done in a second.
Oh, hey man, let's put this on there. There. See, do you see buttons on the side? Oh, here they are. There. This one or this one? Ooh. Ugh. Oopsie, man. Oops, man.
Oh man, you put the trash can all over the place. What's this?
Oh,
Man,
okay, sorry, man. Sorry, man.
out of control.
Okay, I'll put it back. And this is recycling, right? Okay, let me crack this down. Press this button. Oh.
How much longer you got? You only got one.
There. Oh, okay, we're gonna leave now. Bye. Hit our trash cans and knocked them over.
Unbelievable.
Where are these trash people? They should be here. Trash people? I meant the landscaping company. Where are they? Do you know where they are, Cameron?
I don't know. They should be here. We'll be here by now. I don't know. Maybe we can give them another call. I don't know.
Maybe they canceled it?
Oh, I hope they didn't cancel.
Because our lawn needs to be mowed.
Yeah, it does.
I don't
It's
know.
going fast. It's that time of the year. Once it starts, it's hard to stop it.
Yep.
I think that might be them.
Maybe.
You either ask them or someone's playing music.
Oh, I see him! Yay! About time. Of course it is. Principal, can you move? Yes. Let's see who the driver is. Okay. Let's see. Can I open the door for you, sir? Sure. Ooh, it's Dale. Hi. Hi. How you doing? Good. Here's our boss who called you. Oh, hey, boss.
Glad you guys could make it. Was getting a little worried there for a second.
You were?
Oh, yeah. But now that you're here, how about you get to work? What do you say?
Yeah. I forgot to close my door. Funny PowerPoint structure right there. Blue. Let's see. Put this down. See, I have some ramps here. You put them down like that. See, you like the ramps? Cameron, you like the ramps?
Yeah, pretty impressive.
So I put one there and one here. And I put one. Oh, oops, sorry, boss. Right here in the middle, in front of my car. Now let's get this mower. This mower down the ramps. Started.
Alright. Get it done. Get it done.
Wow, this is a lot of rats. How long do you think this will take? And next time, in next video, we'll have a tow truck to tow this car away, won't we? Because it won't work. It doesn't work, right?
No, the car's been sitting there for a while. That's a long story. Don't want to slow you down.
Did the battery go out?
Yeah.
It won't start?
Yeah, long story. Don't want to slow you down. That lawnmower was running great.
Thanks. Look. When was the last time you got this lawn mowed?
It's been a while.
Oh, that's why it's so thick.
Yep, so glad you made it.
You think I should back it or mulch it?
Whatever you gotta do.
That's what I got to. You're funny. You're funny. You're a funny person.
But now that you're asked, I think you should,
Bag it?
use mulch.
Like this, how I am now?
Yeah, just like that.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't want to get grass in your dog's and cat's eyes. I'll kind of move around it.
Yeah, say thank you.
Oh, you're welcome, mittens. Ow, so you have a huge lawn. Hey, it stopped working.
Oh boy.
Let me see again. Let me prime it. I forgot to prime it. There it goes.
There we go.
Let me get the edge. I should have a weed whacker. You're not doing your trash can.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and take a nap. Wake me up if you need anything, alright?
Okay, and let me do it. That's good.
Up my nap. But you got everything.
Yeah, look.
I guess you'll be heading out now. Good job.
Let me put the
Great
mower back.
job.
Let me put the mower back.
Let's put it on back, and I'm sure you got other places to go.
Yeah, I really do. Fold up the ramps and put up the cones. There. Get the one right here.
Alright, looks awesome.
Really? It really does?
It was great.
Thanks.
Thank you.
I usually hear people giving me bad reviews.
Oh,
And
really?
guess what? I even do like tree work. Like if a tree falls on your car, I'll bring Sean. Will come over with the skid steer and the gator.
Yep, it looks great.
Oh,
Well,
and
thank you for everything.
oh my! Look, a hand is doing the raking for us. Wow, that's cool. Stop! Okay. How? And you charge me $50 for this.
Yeah, that was great.
You have to charge. You have to give me money. You have to pay me.
Oh, I thought we already took care of that online or anything.
No.
The app and everything like that. All right, here, take the card. There you go.
Okay, thanks.
All
Bye.
right, I need my card back.
Oh, card back.
Yeah, just charge it. There we go.
Oh,
All right.
there.
Thank you very much.
Okay, bye.
Be safe now.
Bye. Hey! He's driving on the lawn.
That's all right.
We just got him out and it looks so nice, but he messed it up.
We'll see you next time.
Thank you for
Hey,
watching
anything.
Work Crew. Please like and subscribe. Bye.